So we just purchased this new vacuum. This is the Nova V5. Really excited about this, taking it out of the box. Really impressed with the quality of the build. Everything about it just looks really rich. So I'm excited to talk about it and tell you about some of the features. This is going to be the main body of the vacuum here. Your battery slides on right here. Nice battery. So with this battery, running this on low, you can get up to 70 minutes of power out of it. Running it on high, you'll get 20 minutes. So good amount of time. Nice powerful battery. This is a 650 watt brushless motor. It runs at 210,000 RPM, which is really nice. It's got a 1.8 liter dust collection system right here. It's got a 99.99% HEPA filter on it, which is great. So this is a great vacuum for pet owners. And one thing about that is the V-shaped design here on the brush head. So there's a row of teeth like down in here. That's when this spins through there, it pulls the hair off of this, and because of the design, it'll cut those hairs and suck them down in there, so you won't get that hair buildup that you would typically find on a lot of vacuums. You're also going to get this tool, a little gooseneck tool with a brush. So there's a little blade inside of there. You can use this blade for any hair that does stick in there and just pull it up like that, and it's going to cut it, suck it right back down in there. So a really cool feature. You're also going to get 6 LED lights on here, so great for vacuuming at night if that's something you like to do. Your extension piece here, you're going to have 10 different levels of length, which is really nice. A lot of adjustability with this. You're also going to get these pieces. So these are, this one is a 2-in-1. So you'll slide this up like that if you don't want to use the brush part, or slide it back down. And you can see how nice they fit into the little grooves in here. So nice fit. This part that gets mounted on the wall, you're going to get hardware to do that. And your plug, this is going to go right here. So when you set your vacuum down in there, it's going to click right in, charge it automatically for you. You're also going to get extra filter and secondary filter that go inside here, which I can show you that really quick because this canister is really easy to remove. You can see to dump it, you'll just push that button, throw it over the trash can, get it all out of there. So your filter is right here, real easy to access. That sponge part I showed you right there. Put that back in there, twist this in, and just like that, you're cleaned out, ready to go. This just snaps right back in. So really easy to use. This thing is great. Let's see, pop that in, just like that. And another thing, self-standing design, really nice. Great feature. If you're vacuuming, you can stop for a minute. Really cool. We'll take that part off again to make this a mobile kind of vacuum. These pieces snap right in just like that. Now you can go around, get cobwebs in the ceiling corners, whatever you need to do. Just really cool. A lot of different options with this. And also the flat design, so you can get underneath couches. It's really thin. Chairs, the bed, whatever you need to, it's going to lay down. And it also has a nice angle, degree of turning. So really nice. This thing's great. What else can I tell you about this? I think that pretty much wraps it up. Oh, let's turn it on. How about that? So you're going to push the button right there. So that activates it, and then you have your screen here. So you're going to hit your power. You see you have 1, 2, 3 levels of power. So if you hit that, you're on high, low, medium, high. And to shut it off, just pull your trigger again. So it's got a lot of suction. Oh, there we go. So on high. I mean, really strong. Very impressed with it. So if you're looking for a new vacuum, I highly recommend this because it's versatile, it's compact, it's powerful, it's going to do everything you need it to do around your house. It's going to do it well and stores away really nice. It's great that you can mount it to the wall. So you just have it like that, mount it to the wall, slides in there. So awesome vacuum. If you're looking for one, this might be the one for you.